Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to earn money online from somehow Tome Principe. So as you can see here, the country has been facing a thousand number of people unemployed and that can make money online. So the best way to make money online without any investment and without any capital is through freelancing. So the best website for the freelancing is Fiverr. So Fiverr is a marketplace where we can sell anything to the business owner and potential buyers. Okay, so what to sell on Fiverr? So you can sell content writing, you can be a social media manager, you can edit the video and profit the content, deliver the personal messages, image background removal and many other things that you can do. So uh, so it is a very great platform to work with it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.